Welcome back to the Mudra classes beta. Today I'll continue one more problem, that is question number 6. See, enter the following transaction in the proper subsidiary book said. So purchase goods from Arun said Nana. So in purchase book we have to write. So this is the purchase book. So here date, name Arun. Okay, what is the amount we purchased? Purchase goods from Arun 2500 given, date 2018 June 1st. June 1st, amount 2500 and invoice number is 1. So simple, on which date we purchased, the date we have to write, how much amount we purchased, from whom we purchased, that name we have to write. See the next transaction. Purchased goods from Prakash, same as this previous transaction, date 3rd, name Prakash, amount 7000. So date 3, name Prakash, amount 3000 rupees. Sorry, amount 7000 rupees Nana, I return 3000 rupees. Right, see the next transaction. So return outwards to Arun given. What is next transaction given Nana here? Return outwards to Arun. Return outwards means nothing but purchase return. Return outwards means nothing but what Nana? Purchase return. Otherwise, return outwards is the another name for the purchase return. Return outwards is the another name for the purchase return. So in the place of purchase return book, we have to write Arun, date 6, amount 800. So date 6, Arun, amount 800. (2018). So June June 6th. Okay, now see the next one more transaction. Purchase goods from Nagaraju given. So this is also credit purchases, but in this question trade discount 10% given Nana, 10,000 rupees. So here you write down Nagaraju, we purchased goods 10,000 rupees goods we purchased and given 10%. Okay, if you remove this percentage symbol in denominator we will get 100. Okay, now do cancellation. 2 zeros cancel. Okay, 100 into 10, discount is how much beta? 1000. Otherwise see, here 100 we got, here 10 we got, 100 tens are 1000. Otherwise you can calculate 1 ones are 1, 3 zeros are there, 3 zeros also you can write. So in the details column, total 10,000 rupees. From this 10,000 rupees, discount is 1000. Okay, if you minus 10,000 minus 1000, we will get 9,000 rupees outer column. Okay, what is the date given in the question? 14th date. So that date we have to write here. Date is 14th, number 3. Okay, see one more question, one more transaction. See here, 19th date. Right. Goods purchased from Nikhil for cash. Goods purchased from Nikhil for cash. How we purchased it beta? For cash said. That means we purchased goods and we paid cash. When you paid cash, we will not write in the purchase book. We will write in the cash book, not in the purchase book. In purchase book, we will write only credit purchases. So this transaction we will not write here. Okay, next, goods return to Nagaraju. Goods return means nothing but purchase return. So in purchase return book we have to write Nagaraju, date Nagaraj, Date 25th, name Nagaraj, 1200. Date 25, name Nagaraj, amount 1200, right? See the last transaction, bought goods from Vamshi. Bought means nothing but purchase. Bought means nothing but purchase. So 28 date, Vishal name, not Vamshi beta, Vishal name. 28 date, Vishal name, 1500 we have to write. So date 28, name Vishal, and what is the amount? 1500. Number is 4. Now all transactions completed. Now we have to do the total. Here we will get 2000 rupees total, and here we will get 2000, 1500, 4000, 4000, 11,000, 20,000. Here we get. So this is total completed. Sixth problem also completed. Very easy. We can do the problems. Okay. Now see the next question. See next question, what is given beta? Next question, enter the following transactions in the sales book. Okay, enter the following transaction in the sales book. Just a minute beta, I will check whether you are able to see the question or not clearly. So for your understanding, I will make it big. Right, I think you can able to see the question clearly. Yes, right. Now we will do the question beta now. See, enter the following transaction in the sales book. Which book asking beta? Sales book. Then now we will do no problem. So here I will draw the sales book format. So amount, details, outward invoice number, LF number, and the date. For sales book and the purchase book, only one is the different. What is that one column? The only column which is different to purchase book and sale book is this one, outward invoice number. Outward invoice number for sales book. For purchase book we will write here, for purchase book we will write here inward invoice number. That is only the difference between sales book and the purchase book. Remaining all same as it is. Date, particulars, LF number, details, and rupees. Okay, now similarly, now see the question. What is asking? Sold goods to Sampath. Sold goods to Sampath. So remember the sales book rule also. I explained in the previous problem. Only credit transactions we have to write. Cash transactions we will not record, and assets sold also we will not record. So sold goods to Sampath said this is credit sale we have to write in sales book. 2019 February 1st, Sampath 2250. So Sampath number 1 2250. Okay, and what is the date given beta? 2019 February 1st. 2019 February 1st. That's it, completed. Same as this purchase book. Sold goods to Manohar. This is also credit sale. This is also credit sale. So simply write here Manohar name. Manohar name. Okay, number 2, and what is the amount and date given here? 2000 amount given, date is 6. 2000 amount and the date is 6. From which text to which question this one, Nana? See, question number 7 from Intermediate Telangana Government Intermediate Accountancy textbook, page number 7. I think question number question number 7, page number 112 I think. Okay, so 112 is a page number. Okay, question number is 7. Okay, see the next one. See third one, what is given? Cash sales given. Cash sales means we are not selling 500, 1000 rupees, 2000 rupees notes. So here cash sale means in business we sold goods and we received cash. So in what is the meaning of cash sales nana? Cash sale అంటే అర్థమైంది బిజినెస్ లో మనం గూడ్స్ అమ్మినాం, గూడ్స్ అమ్మి రిటర్న్ ఏం తీసుకున్నాం? క్యాష్. అంటే ఇక్కడ క్యాష్ తీసుకున్నాం కాబట్టి ఇది రాయకూడదు. హియర్ వి టేకెన్ క్యాష్ బై సేలింగ్ గూడ్స్, సో వి విల్ నాట్ రికార్డ్ ఇన్ ద సేల్స్ book, we'll record in the cash book, so ignore this transaction. Next one, sold goods to Murali 5000 rupees, trade discount 5%. So date 16 Murali 5000. So date 16 Murali, so amount is 5000 rupees and discount is 5% said, that means 5 by 100. 2 zeros cancel, 5 5s are 25, only 1 0 is there, 250 is the discount. So in details column 5000 rupees minus 250 discount, outer column 4750. This is the number 3 transaction. Okay, see the next one, goods sold to Shankar on credit. Very very important beta, confusing point here. So many students will confuse and they will keep wrong. See here, goods sold to Shankar on credit given. Credit means what nana? Without paying cash. క్రెడిట్ అంటే అర్థమైంది అప్పు. అంటే శంకర్కి మనం గూడ్స్ అమ్మినామంట, అప్పుగా అమ్మినామంటున్నాడు. రాయాలా వద్దా? రాయాలి. వి హ్యాడ్ టు రైట్ బికాస్ ఇన్ సేల్స్ బుక్ వీఆర్ రికార్డింగ్ ఓన్లీ క్రెడిట్ ట్రాన్సాక్షన్. సో డెఫినెట్లీ యూ హ్యావ్ టు రైట్ ఈవెన్ తో ఈస్ నాట్, సి ఫర్ దీస్ క్వశ్చన్స్ నాట్ గివెన్ క్రెడిట్. Okay, even though here not given credit, we written similarly, even though if he not given credit you have to write, even though he not given credit you have to write here. So this is very very important, keep in your mind, this is very very important beta, keep in your mind. Okay, so here on credit is given, that means no need to confuse, you have to write here, you have to write. Okay, so goods sold to Shankar said, so date 20, name Shankar 2500. Date 20, name Shankar 2500. With this all problems, all transactions completed in the question number 7. Now see the total, 5000, 7000, 9000, 11,500. This is the total completed. Question number 7 completed. This is question number 7, page number 112, page number. Very easy, dead easy questions. Compulsory you will get 5 marks problem from this chapter. Okay, just stay in line, we will do one more question. Okay, now 7th problem completed beta. Now we will do the question number 8. Now we will do the question number 8. Okay, so this is the question number 8. What is asking in the question number 8? Prepare sales book. So we have to draw the sales book pro format. Okay, so I will draw the sales book format here, just stay in line. I will draw the sales book format. So this is for amount, this is for details, this is for outward invoice number, this is for LF, and this is for date. Okay, now write the all details. Sales book is the heading, question number 8. Fill up all these headings, date, particulars, LF, outward invoice number, important, and details, and the amount. Okay, let's see the question. Prepare sales book from the following particular said. Sold goods to Kiran, sold goods to Kiran. So simply we are selling goods to Kiran, so credit sale. So 2018 May 1st Kiran 10,000. Kiran 10,000 2018 May 1st completed first transaction. Date outward invoice number 1, that is bill number. Okay, next one, sold goods to Kalyan, trade discount 10%. 6,000 goods we sold to Kalyan, trade discount 10%. Date 8, Kalyan, we sold 6,000 goods, 10% discount set, that means 10 by 100, 00 cancel, 00 cancel, discount is 600. Number 2, so details column, 6,000 rupees minus discount 600, outer column 5,400 rupees. Very simple. Okay, see the next one. Goods sold to Sanjeev for cash. Goods sold to Sanjeev for cash. How we sold your goods? For cash. So we will not record here. Okay, next one, sold goods to G1, we have to record. Okay, so G1 18th date, and what is the amount? 4,600. Date 18, name G1, amount 4,600. Right, next one, sold old machinery. Very important, sold old machinery. What we sold here? Machinery. Machinery is an asset. Machinery is an asset. Sold goods, then only we will record. Goods ammutane record cheyali. When you sold goods, then only we have to record in the sales book. As machinery is an asset, we will not record this one. Next one, goods sold to Vasu. Yes, we have to record. Date 26, Vasu 8,000. Date 26, Vasu, number 3, number 4, 8,000 rupees. Okay, right. With this, all transactions completed in this problem. Now we have to do the total. 10 plus 5, 15, 15 plus 4, 19, 20,800. So 28,000 is the total. With this problem is completed. Question number 8 problem is completed. Okay, now stay in line, we will do the question number 9 also. Yes beta, now we will do the question number 9. Okay, previously just now we completed question number 8. Now we will see the question number 9. What is asking in the question number 9? Prepare the sales book. Okay, so we have to draw the sales book format here. I will draw one sales book format. So you know how many columns you have to draw. You have to remember this all. One is date, particulars, next LF, outward invoice number, already I told you, outward invoice number, details, and the amount. So what we have to write here, heading sales book. This is sales book. Question number 9. This is question number 9. Okay, question number 9. Right, what is given here? Sold goods to Nikhil. Sold goods to Nikhil. Sold goods to Nikhil said how much? 7,500. Invoice number given. Invoice number is nothing but bill number. So 2018 July 1st, Nikhil 7,500. 2018 July 1st, name Nikhil. Nikhil, amount 2,500. Outward invoice number. Invoice number given in this question, I forgot, 410 given. So we have to write, instead of 1, we have to write 410. Okay, in this question bill number given, so we have to write the bill number. But in previous question bill number is not given. Okay, let's see next one. Sold goods to Rutvik on credit 5,500. So no need to confuse your, even though he given credit, we have to write here. So Rutvik, date 3rd, 5,500. Date 3rd, Rutvik, 5500. And what is the bill number given in the question? 101. That bill number you have to write here, 101. Okay, see the next one. Goods sold to Jairam 4000 as per invoice number 370 and discount 10% said. Goods sold to Jairam. So write down here, Jairam, 4000 goods we sold. On these 4000, 10% discount said, that means 10 by 100. Do cancellation, 00 cancel, 00 cancel. Discount is 400. So in details column, 4000 minus discount 400, outer column 3600, outer column discount 3600 we have to write. Okay, so date is 12th given, 370 number, date 12. Okay, see the next transaction. What is given the next transaction? Sold goods to Sharma for cash. We will not record. Okay, next, goods sold to Arun 6400, invoice number 220, 24th date, Arun 6400. So date 24th, Arun, and 6400 amount, 6400, bill number 220, 6400. With this, all transactions completed in the question number 9. Now do total. Okay, 3600, 4000, 10,000, 15,000, 16,000, 18,000. If you do total, we will get 18,000. With this, question number 9 also completed. Okay, now we will do question number 10 beta. Just stay in line. Hello, right. Now we will do the question number 10 beta. So this is the question number 10. What is asking in question number 10? Sold goods to Satyam, amount 2500. So in sales book we have to write 2018 September 1st, Satyam 2500. So this is the sales book format. Satyam, amount 2500. Bill number is not given, so we have to write 1. What is the date given beta? 2018 September 1st. So we have to write here 2018 September 1st. Okay, I hope you understand clearly. See the next one. Sold goods to Ajay said, date 5, Ajay name, amount 7200. Date 5, Ajay name, amount number 2, amount how much given beta? 7200. So write down here 7200 rupees. Okay, see the next one. 7th date, goods sold to Varun. Goods sold to Varun say given Anna. So here sold goods or goods sold, both are same. Date 7, amount there, name Varun, amount 2800. 7th date, Varun 2800. So simply write here date 7, Varun, number 3, amount 2800. Okay, next one. Satya returned goods. Satya name, with Satyam name what happened previously? We sold. Now Satya returned means this is Satya return books, nana, sale return book. Nana, previously with Satya name we sold goods. Okay, now return means sales return book, we have to write date 10, sales return book, Satyam we have to write 300. So date 10, name Satyam, amount 300, and date, what is the date beta? 2018 September 10th. Credit note number 1. Any number is not given in the question, so we have to write 1. Okay, see the next transaction. Sold goods to Akila. So this is also credit sale, 4000 rupees. Date 14, Akila 4000. So 4000 rupees. Number 4, Akila, date 14. Okay, see the next transaction. 16th date, return inwards from Varun. See, with Varun name, what is happened? Previously we sold with Varun name, previously we sold goods. Okay, now we return inwards. Return inwards means nothing but sale return. Return inwards means nothing but sale return. Okay, here return inwards, return inwards is another name for the sale return. Return inwards is another name for the sale return. So here the amount is 200 rupees. So in sales book, sales return book, date 16 Varun 200. So date 16 Varun, number 2 600. 600 or 200, sorry, not 600, 200. So 200, right? See the next one. Goods sold to Karthik, goods sold to Karthik for cash. For cash means we will not record, you know very well. For cash means we will not record. What is the amount? 3000 rupees. Okay, we will not record. So with this, all transactions completed in this problem. Now do the total. 300 plus 200, 500 is the total of sales return book. Now here 2800, 3000, 10,000, 10,000, 16,500 beta. So 16,500 is the total. Okay, like this we had to do the problem. I think you understand clearly. Total up to 10 problems we completed beta. Next 2 problems are very important. Okay, 11th one, 12th one, 13th one, these 3 problems are very important. Now I will explain these 3 questions in the next video. Okay, until take care, bye.